Good morning. Welcome to Morning Motivate. I hope that you are doing well this morning and kicking off your day with a little motivation mindset. Now, this is a simple but hard thing to do. So here goes. Finish what you start. So easy, but yet so hard. And one way to tackle today's Morning Motivate mindset post is to really get down to three non negotiable, no matter what happens, I'm going to complete this today. Now, sometimes life throws you a curveball. I completely get it. So go down to one non negotiable task that you're going to complete today. So finish what you start. And if you like today's episode, I would love for you. It is the first link down in the description. Go ahead and click and find additional resources at freedomtoimpact.com. Take care and we'll talk soon.